Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Shin. I'm one of the band directors at Coronado High School. I play clarinet, and today I'm going to help you learn your B-flat concert scale. Here it is. Some things to consider when doing your B-flat scale. Clarinets, we're going from C to your upper register C. So if you notice, I'm putting my register key down for that. That means that we're going and bridging the gap between your lower notes, lower register, to your upper register. And the notes in between, like your G, A to your B natural, okay? So your G and your A are what we call throat tones. That means that we should probably put our right hands down in order for those to sound good, and it'll make things a lot easier when you have to put more fingers down to cross the break to your B natural and your C. So when you play your G, please put your right hands down. When you play your A in your scale, right hands down as well, and it'll make things a lot easier to go to your B natural. You already have half your fingers down. Here it is one more time, your B-flat concert scale.